So this is everything I got for my trip in a few weeks to North Carolina. So travel supply haul, partially. First things first, I went to like and subscribe and hype if you haven't already. And if you like these kind of videos, I'm trying to pre-record things so you guys have things to look forward to while I'm away on vacation for a couple weeks. And I will try and vlog if there's anything interesting. If not, and also depending on my friend's consent, I will film or not film her. But yeah, so let's get into the haul. So first things first, I went to TJ Maxx to get a bag because I'm taking the Amtrak, and I'll try and like vlog my experience, or at least tell you my experience after the fact, and maybe take some video when I get back from the trip, because I'm going there and back on the Amtrak. First time doing it because I wanted to avoid the plane, and yeah, so went to TJ Maxx. So I had to get a different suitcase. I had to get a carry-on. They're actually very not lenient, but very generous, I guess, when it comes to your carry-ons. You can have a backpack and then 2 carry-ons, but I'm going to stick with 1, just because I just want to worry about a backpack when I'm traveling from train to train. Basically, I'm taking 3 trains, so a backpack and my suitcase. So I got this little suitcase. Well, it's not little, but it's meets the parameters. It's a Ed Hardy, and I got it for 70 bucks. It comes with a luggage tag, but I also got 2 more, one to put on the outside and one to put on the inside if, in fact, someone steals my luggage, basically. Hopefully not. Crossing all fingers and toes that does not happen, because it'll be technically with me on the train. I won't be checking it or anything like that. But I have luggage tags. I got these for 5 bucks. And then I got this travel blanket, which I'm going to be having in my backpack, which I'll do a separate, like, what's in my backpack, or pack my backpack, and also pack my makeup bag video for this trip as well. But I got this little travel blanket because I'm going to be staying 3 nights on the train, but in coach. I'm not doing a room because I wanted to save money, and we'll see how that goes for 3 days. I don't know, but for 2 of them or something, I'm gonna be on 1 train, so I'll actually get to sleep a little bit. And then I also got this pepper spray because I needed one anyways, but also for travel purposes. My keys. Next, I went to Ulta. I'm gonna be taking out 1 item that is not mine, because I also kind of, my mom's birthday's coming up, so I got her something, so I'm gonna just put that to the side. I got this Sol de Janeiro little set, Brazilian Bum Bum set. It comes with the body wash, the cream, and then the spray, just because I was like, this is something I'm gonna be using anyways. Like, I'll use the body wash and the spray while I'm there, and then also the lotion because it's gonna be really hot. And it's travel size, and it's a little bag. I was trying to think of, because it's gonna be really hot in North Carolina, I was trying to think of like things that my makeup, but I think most of it is pretty good. I'm gonna be taking most of my project pan items. I'll still film that as well, but I ended up getting 2 eyeliners because the eyeliner I have ran out, and I can't remember my preference on if I liked a brush tip or a felt tip. So I got both, basically. These are from Maybelline. I was just trying to think of something cheap. I didn't want to get anything like too high-end or expensive. I got this Sun Bum 70 sunscreen spray. Again, with Amtrak, you don't have to have, like, you know, small amounts of things when it comes to liquids, so it's nice. I got this travel size Amika Perk Up Plus dry shampoo because I have colored hair partially. I think I might color it before the trip, and I know that I just don't want to be and there's a pool as well, but I don't want to be doing washing my hair as much. I even told my friend if I end up like not using everything, I'll just give it to her basically when I'm done, because less amount to bring home, you know. I'm gonna be trying this marshmallow primer from NYX, just because I was thinking, like, okay, like longevity wise, I don't know when it comes to primers. I have some things I can bring to that are like trial size. I'm out of primer anyways, so might as well. I got this little version of the Milani Make It Last setting spray. I was looking at the sunscreen stuff, but I was like, I don't want there to be accidentally like a cast or something, you know, because sometimes the sunscreen sprays kind of can get like that on your face, and I'm like, I don't want to be ruining my makeup basically after I spend so much time. And then I got this deep conditioning hair mask as well, from Eva NYC, just because again I have the colored hair and I'm gonna try and not wash it as often. Let's see how that goes, because I do have oily scalp and things, but it's gonna be hot there and I just like to avoid it. And then I ended up getting this set of the Amika hydration. It's the hydration intense moisture shampoo, conditioner, and then the leave-in conditioner, because I was like, oh, this, because I was getting the 2 bottles and I was like, might as well just get the set. So that's kind of what I have so far. If I add anything else, I'm probably gonna go to Walgreens and get some toiletry items like travel toothbrush, toothpaste. I have the shampoo, conditioner already. Maybe some other things. I'm not really sure, because I was like trying to think of makeup, because that's why it was there. And I was like, I think I'm actually good at makeup. So next video is going to be basically the packing. I'm not going to show you guys me packing my suitcase, but my backpack and also my makeup bag. So that's kind of it for this video. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe, hype it up if you're on your phone, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.